Okay, I'm going to show you how to merge cells. Let's right click over here. Then click on format cells. We have selected 5 cells. Then we have right click there and we have clicked on format cells. Now click on alignment. Can you see here merge cells? Can you see here?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to
Yes, ma'am.
tick here. You have to tick here, then click on OK. Now these all cells will become a single cell. All cells has been merged in a single cell. Got it? Now normally we merge
Yes, ma'am.
cell to give some formats. It might be format writing company name. It might be writing industry name, whatever we want. Correct? It is a part of formatting. Got it or not? Okay, suppose today we are going to make a bill format, and that bill format is of one stationery. Okay, suppose we are going to write this stationery name S.S stationery. Suppose you can write any name over there. Okay, now we are going to make a bill format. Symbol number, then item name over here. You can write either item or particular. You can write any one, particulars. Correct? Then next one, we can change the cell size by clicking at its border. Okay. Now next one is quantity. In short, we write is QTY. And next one is rate. Then total. You have already done this bill format, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, just have a look over here, okay? When we type text, text remain at which side? Left hand side of a cell, isn't it? Yes? But when we type a number, then number automatically goes to right hand side. So this is the by default orientation given to text and numbers by Excel. In Excel, text are aligned at left hand side and numbers are aligned at right hand side. Correct? Okay, one number. Suppose we bought pen from the stationery. Might be 5 pens. Then each pen cost suppose 90 rupees. Then we have to find total, isn't it? Okay, now let us type formula to find total. Equals to,
Is equals to
what is the cell address of quantity of pen over here? It is C3
C3
into C3 into D3. So the cell address of rate of pen is D3, isn't it? When we press enter, formula will be converted into value. When I taught you formula bar, if you have remembered, I told you that whatever we have typed, that will be displayed on formula bar also. Can you see this formula bar over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is constant value which we type directly, isn't it? Yes. These two are constant value. So we can see constant value in formula bar. But when we go to the dependent value, we can see formula in the formula bar instead of value. Correct? In this way, we can identify constant value and dependent value in Excel. Correct? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is dependent value. That's why we can see its formula at formula bar. Correct? Now, 2 number. Okay, suppose it is copy. Suppose we bought 25 copies. Each copy costing
100.
might be 60 rupees. Then we need to type formula, isn't it? But
Equals to C4 multiplied by D4.
no, please have a look here. Have a look on the screen. I am not going to type formula. I am going to drag formula. Just focus on my mouse pointer, okay? It is a white color, thicker plus sign over here, isn't it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When I move it to the near to the selected cell at the right side, bottom right corner of the cell, then it automatically turns to black color. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, just when I remove my cursor from there, can you see a small square box over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait for a
Yes,
while,
ma'am.
okay? Wait for a while.
Ma'am, we have to rejoin.
If time will not be sufficient, yes. Otherwise, no. Okay. When we move our mouse pointer over this small square box, then our mouse cursor turned into black color plus sign. Correct? When our mouse cursor turned into black color plus sign, then we can click there and drag it down. Then formula will be automatically copied. See here. See here at formula bar. Is the formula correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
Excel itself will change the cell address. Correct? So this small square box is called field handle. Correct?
Ma'am?
This small square box is called field handle. F-I-L-L-H-A-N-D-L-E. F-I-L-L-H-A-N-D-L-E, field handle. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 3 number. Suppose it is ink. Suppose I bought 3 bottles of ink. 1 bottle cost 20 rupees. Then what is the formula?
Equals to C5 into D5.
But we are not going to type the formula. We are going to,
Ma'am, we'll drag the formula.
yes, drag the formula. Correct? Now,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
let us find grand total. Sorry, yes, grand total. So what is the formula to find grand total? Equals to E3 plus E4 plus E5. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Inter.
same value, we are going to find it by using function also. That is equals to sum, then bracket open. What is the starting cell address of our calculation? E3 is to
Three.
E5.
E3 is to E5.
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 Then, are the values same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So if we have got lots of value which we need to add together, then we use function instead of adding all the values. Got it? Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
this is the example of cell range. See here, inside bracket, we have given the starting cell address and ending cell address. It is the selection of cell of where we have to find the values. Correct? So if we select more than one cell and we use it for calculation, then that is called cell range. It is also known as block or cell range. Block of cell or cell range. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your work is
Yes, ma'am.
your homework for today is you have to find total of 10 different items, whatever you like. It might be food items, it might be clothes, it might be shoes, it might be sports item, whatever. But you have to give the name of the shop and you have to make the same bill format like this.
10 items.
Yeah, 10 items.
Ma'am, then we have to post it in Midas.
This is your homework. You can send it in email or Midas, wherever you want. It will be
Okay,
easier
ma'am.
for you to submit it in Google. Sorry, Gmail.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, this
Ma'am,
much for
when will we
today.
get our exam results?
When we will be notified, then I'll notify you. Okay, because till now we haven't got any notice. We are just doing correction. Okay.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, we don't need to draw border lines.